Good afternoon, class. Today we're going to have a look at using the words going to. So the word going to, these words are used when we talk about the future. Like, for instance, what you are going to do in the future, like maybe in the next 5 or 10 minutes, or maybe what you're going to do in the evening or at night time, or maybe tomorrow what you're going to do. Okay, so how do we write this? So the first one, you can see it says here, number 1, play football. So it says here, the answer is Henry is going to play football. So this is how you would write it. Henry is going to play football because he's not playing football right now. Okay, so we don't say Henry is going to played football because that's the past. We use play. So the verb will be play. Henry is going to play football. The next one, you can see here it says number 2, score some goals. So we're going to use going to, okay? In all of these sentences, we're going to use going to, okay? Henry is going to, see number 2, score some goals. Henry is going to score some goals. That means in the future he will score some goals. So if he's playing a football match, he will score some goals soon. Okay? So the next one, you see the start again is Henry, number 3. Henry, again we're going to say is going to, because if we're talking about a third person, Henry, or say Raj, or any other person, we use is, okay, not are. We would say Henry is going to play football. Henry is going to score some goals. And number 3 is Henry is going to kick the ball because he hasn't kicked the ball yet. Okay, so Henry is going to kick the ball. Okay, so number 4, again, you use this, his parents, right? So it says his parents, so we know it's more than one because parents means mum and dad, so that's 2 people. So if it's 2 people, we don't use is. What do we use? We use are, okay? Are. His parents are going to, then what does it say? See the match, okay? So if it's more than one person, we say are. If it is he, she, or a name of a person, we say is. And if we say you, like you are going to do this lesson, you are, okay? So he, she is, we use is. With more than one person